Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian's the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
What's up, guys? So it is close to London session, pre-London. But we do have to keep in mind tomorrow is the 4th of July, a big holiday in the US, so market is more than likely going to stay choppy until after the holiday, more than likely. So that's why it's been choppy. Even with Jerome Powell speaking yesterday, we didn't even break out of either area, either direction. We stayed in the zone. So I figure everybody's just waiting for the holiday to be over. But good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's play a little bit of musica. Alright, and let's look at some charts, party people. I'm gonna make it pretty big. I'll tell you what time frame it's on. You can also see the time frame right here. Okay, this 5. You can't see the top, but you can see it still pretty much. Alright, so we're on gold right now. So this is what we can look at. I don't know why my computer's moving a little slow right now. Oh, I think I know why. Okay, I just closed something. Anyway, so let's look at this. We could probably get a little scalp in here because London usually gives us some nice volume. Maybe for like a quick 25 pips or something. But yeah, let's say that gold closes past this area right here. I'm actually gonna get into, if it closes past this area on the 30-minute time frame, I would expect us to continue up, especially if we don't have a bottom wick. That is like a 50-50 chance, not really a 50-50 chance, more like an 80% chance that it's going to continue in that direction. And I'll probably just target these highs that were created at 33, 23.36. I'm not in yet. I actually took a pretty big loss last week, but I didn't stick to my plan, you know, being very greedy, but it's a nice risk to reward that we would have on the table right now. So if it can come back down here to retest, because it just closed past this resistance, this previous resistance, then I would look to get into some buys. So what I also might do is put a buy limit right here, or if it breaks these highs right now, I might go ahead and get in. That would be a, well, it didn't really break the highs put a buy limit at 2332.6 for spread. Typically, let's see, 22 or 2330. What did I say? 23. Oh, well, just broke this high, so could get in, but this is also the last 30-minute candle for the 4 hour. It just broke this high. It might get in here and have stops below here. What would that be, like a 20 pip stop, 23 pip stop? Good morning, bro. Good morning, my peoples. Let's look at the 1 hour as well. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a position. That would be like a 25 pip stop, yeah? So, wait a second. Grand Rising. Position because that'll be 60. So I'm risking about less than 1% right now. Very, very small stops. So I'm gonna target these highs. First TP will be here, 2335.7. Overall TP will be here, 2336.8. Probably do 2336.6 for spread. So yeah, while that's playing out, let's do a little bit of edumacation. I am doing a 25K challenge, and I'm using the Blue Guardian. That is our sponsor for Trading Nut. I was up more last week, but meh. Anyway, we're getting it back. It's all part of trading. Is this better? Let me see if I can turn up my I currently have a 0.6 in right now. yeah, this is a Raja Bank strategy, if you guys know anything about it. We could also have a TP all the way up here at 2338. You know, that could be another one, another TP. That was my take profit from earlier, from yesterday. Okay. Is that better? Am I talking louder? It might just be me. I just might need to talk a little bit louder. Now that it broke it that high though, I don't really want to see it come down and break its own low, this 30-minute candle. This is the strategy, so I might go ahead and manage my risks now. The thing is though, is that this is the last 30-minute candle of the 4-hour candle. So it would probably be ideal to manage my risk. This is what I wouldn't want to see it break its own low, because if it breaks in its own low, then that technically means that it's going to start reversing and being bearish. My idea for it is that it's going to fill this range though. That's my idea behind this trade, that it's going to fill this range after it closes above this previous resistance. Bullish. And we are in pretty much a range trading area right now, so so yeah, I'm gonna move my stops up now to manage my risk a bit more. Where would I be moving them up to? Bottom of this 30-minute candle. So now, if we lose, it's a much smaller loss than it would have been prior. Because I'm following my plan, and it should just push up with some momentum and volume from London, pre-London. Cool, so we are, this was not my entry. My entry was actually right here. I got a little bit of a late entry, but if you guys got an entry here, then props to you. You guys are in earlier than me. But yeah, I got in around here a little late. A little late. But yeah, hope everybody's having a good morning. It's actually 12:41 a.m. for me, so it's not really morning. Yeah, so I guess while that's playing out over here, I wanted to show you guys my analysis. I just saw the trade happening, so I had to go ahead and hop in. But yeah, so we've been in this range for how many days? Since last week. Almost a week we've been in this range. So we should be breaking out anytime soon, and I assume that we're in this range because of the holiday, July 4th holiday in the US, and we have clean range. If we break above here, we have clean range to the upside. If we break below here, we have clean range to the downside. So if we break above here and close past it, then we'll have clean range all the way up to like 2354. We break past here and close past it, we'll have clean range all the way down to this demand zone at 2301. We also have equal lows here, which also indicates there's sell stops here. So we have liquidity down here. We also have liquidity up here. We have equal highs up here as well. So it's all about seeing what the market does. How is it going to react? How are we going to react? How are we going to play out? Are we going to follow momentum? You know? So let's see what happens over the next, I feel like Friday is going to be pretty big because that's after July 4th. So I feel like there's going to be some type of volume in the market. That's just what I feel, just from some experience that I've seen during holiday times. But yeah, let me look at the 15 here. So I'm not expecting it to break out. That's why I'm not targeting highs out of a zone, right? I'm targeting highs inside of a zone. So here's a high here, 2336, and here's a high here, 2338. Here's also another high, 2339. But see how it's kind of created some higher lows here? So Brad, wow, there's two Brads actually. Brad 2023 PS. Do you just trade gold, or what's up, man? Are you new to trading? Are you on a challenge? Are you personal? Do 23. My first TP is 2335.6. Where's it? 0.7 for spread. So let's see if we get there. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, gold's nice, right? I like how it moves. I'm trying to start trading indices or maybe like currencies, so I can use a personal account so I can trade currencies. That's not bad. Down 200 isn't bad at all, bro. You can make that back easy. Unless it's wanting to come back down here. It's really choppy. Very choppy. So don't expect like the best type of price action right now. It's definitely not going to come to you. I'm just range trading, so I bought this thing called the MT5 simulator. It's created by Raja Banks and his team. It's actually way better for back testing than it is with TradingView, because like it's pretty much real-time price action. You know how TradingView it doesn't really show you how the candle moves, it just shows you how it closes. Well, with MT5 it shows you all of that. It shows you how it moves, and it's really fucking helpful. Really fucking helpful to show you how these candles are moving, how they form, why they form the way they form, and it's nice. I just bought it like the other day, and I was back testing yesterday on it. I think I got like 3 wins, 1 loss. It's fucking nice. this was my strategy. This is the strategy that I was using. So I think I'm just gonna stick to one strategy from now on, one strategy only, because I thought about it, and a lot of the most profitable traders out there pretty much just use one strategy over and over and over and over and over again. You know, instead of trying to find multiple ways to trade in the market, just use one strategy. That's it. That's all it takes. But yeah, MT5 Simulator is very nice. I think right now it's on sale. This is no marketing. I have no referral codes or anything to give you for it, but I think it's on sale for like $50 and then $10 a month because it gives you real-time data. But they also have another one that you can buy that's just without the real-time data. I mean, it still has, you know, data, but it'll have data. If you buy the $50 one, it'll have data from like yesterday or something like that, you know? So it's kind of nice. I think that's how it works. Still a little new to the MT5 Simulator, but that shit's nice. Check it out. Alright, so we are up a bit now from my position. If anybody else got this position right here at 2333.3, you should be up a good amount right now. That would have been my entry, but I got in a little late. So right now I'm up about 10 pips, or almost 10 pips. This 1 hour is going to close very soon, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to secure some, because if the 4 hour decides to pull back a bit, then I can get another entry. So now I just have one running. Okay, I'm gonna put the stop loss for that one to break even, because I want to play off of time. The 4 hour is going to close soon, and usually 4 hour will pull back some. So if the 4 hour does pull back to this actual level that I wanted it to go to, I would more than likely add another entry. Alright, so we're pushing up some more here. We are pushing. Let's see if we can fill this 4 hour range all the way up to 2336.89. Nice push, nice volume. Nice, 15 pips. 15 pips. Oh wait, no, it's 10 pips for me. Well, if you're in lower, you should have much better profits than me right now. Alright, so I'm gonna move this into at least like 5 pips in profit. So if it hits, then I'm coming out with at least something. But yeah, I'm expecting this 1 hour or 4 hour to pull back a bit, and then so yeah, even this 1 hour is closing past this level right here. So if this 1 hour can come back here, I'll probably get in for another position. It could pull back here, or it could come down here to create a bottom wick for this 1 hour, but I don't really want it to do that. Okay, so my stops got hit, but that was a nice win, nice 10-15 pip win. Sometimes 10 pips a day is all you need to build your account. But yeah, let's see, because now this 30 filled that range kinda. But look how we are also creating this little trend here. Oops. Probably going to be posting some videos on my YouTube as well, of me using the MT5 simulator as some backtesting for gold. So if you guys ever want to check me out, like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's right here at the bottom. I'm also streaming on my YouTube channel as well right now with the Trading Nut, and I appreciate his sponsorship. Yeah, also this is my dashboard for the prop firm that I'm using right now. Let me bring it up, hold on a second. Oh, 1 hour is about to close. I'm gonna put a buy limit right here, 2332.7. Ten pips and dip. What we could see, however, come up here, reject, and then just come back down. We could see that as well. Oh, look at that. It broke the high first, and now what is it doing? Let me look at the one. Might grab some sells here. Trend might be changing here. I think it's changing. Looks like it's about to change. Let's see if we can see some market structure shifting. Let's go down to, let's go to the 5. This 5 can break here. Probably get into some sells and put stops right above these highs. Where's the one? Let's see if we get a shift in market structure. I'm gonna take some sells. I'm gonna target these lows. Not yet. That's all possible. I don't have a good enough confirmation yet. No trades yet. Just waiting. Just waiting. Right now, you're gonna go full margin now? I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one, boss man. Alright. I'm gonna take a sell. Very, very tight stops. It's like a 10 pip stop, bro. You know what? I got a 10 pip stop. I want to make sure, because I pressed sell. Did it go in? Huh, that's what she said. No, it didn't go in. It didn't go in yet. It was lagging. Probably for good reasons. Yeah, I'm gonna take a sell. Really, really tight stops. 2335.43. And I'm just gonna target here 2332. Only trying to grab about 20 pips here. Alright, so my entry was 2334.9. Wait. 0.49. About right here. Let's see. Very, very tight stop. Because if it breaks that high, then it's just going to continue up. But I was expecting it to not, because of these equal highs we created right here. Okay. Wait a minute. This platform has different levels than it does on TradingView. Let's gone. Alright. Wonder if Brad's still in that buy. Let me see something though, cause why are these numbers different from TradingView? It's like a few pips off. We broke this high. Just waiting. Nice. 11 pips is a nice win though. I hope you have a good day at work, bro. I'm about to get off soon. I got off of work maybe a few hours ago, so I'm kind of tired. Tired. That's an exhaustion candle. I got back into sales. Oh, well, I appreciate you still being along, and even if I am just in your ears. Yo, I used to trade and drive at the same time, and I was like, oh my god, so unhealthy. So unhealthy. Wait, how are you texting though? I just realized, I was like, wait a minute, you're driving, but you're also messaging? I was like, good for you, dude, not trading and driving. But here you are messaging and driving. Man, I really want to smoke this joint. I grabbed a sell again here at 2334.87. I'm gonna put my stops above this previous high, 2336, because I am assuming, just by the way these candles are forming, that we are gonna push back down because we're exhausting. We are exhausting. bullish momentum is running out. London's opening up. We have Asian lows down here. 23, 26. We do have potential to come down here and retest Asian lows. We do have a gap here on the 1 hour at 23.25.4. So we're in a range too, so if we're in a range and we're coming up here to the top of the range, it would only make sense to now come back down to the bottom of the range, because I highly doubt we're breaking out of this range today, with 4th of July being tomorrow. Highly doubt it. And I guess I'll drop down to the 1 minute, but I don't really want to confuse you guys. Nah, that's terrible. I'm just gonna stay on the 15. I'm just gonna stay over here. I mean, overall target would be Asian lows, but I don't really want to go that low. I want to come here. Oh, word? I do courier work too, bro. I drive for FedEx and I'm a CNA. What's up? Good morning. Luckily, you can use Platform 5, which is MT5. I would love to use MT5. I miss trading with MT5, but I'm in the US, so we're not allowed to use MT5 anymore. Fucking ass. Yeah, it is different prices versus TradingView. I realized that because it took my stops out earlier than it did on TradingView, and I was like, wait a minute. That didn't make any sense. So, whatever. But you use Blue Guardian too? Nice. Well, welcome. Welcome to the fam. Oh yeah, my dashboard. I just lost like $100, but anyway, I am down a bit from what I was last week, or was that earlier this week? But yeah, here's the dashboard. We only have to make $2,000. Here's like economic calendar that they do. I like it. It's just there's some things that do need to be fixed on it, updated. But today is what, Wednesday? Come to the US. Yeah, this definitely needs to be updated. But yeah, it's nice. Not too bad. Pretty clean. I'm gonna jump off of here in like maybe 15 minutes. Because I'm tired, guys, and I guess I could leave this up, just running, instead of closing it off. I'll see what I want to do. But give me a couple minutes. I'm gonna use the bathroom. Oh, I forgot to answer your question. I'm using Match Trader for the platform. That's the platform they decided to give me through the sponsorship, so not sure why, but that's the one I'm using. Honestly, I wish I could use Trade Locker, so once I pass, I'll probably ask them if I can use Trade Locker instead. Exhausting. Yo, we're going down, boys and girls, guys and gals. Let's look at this 4 hour. Alright, so 4 hour broke this high, immediately started rejecting. So it could come all the way back down. Since we're pretty much playing in this zone, we could literally come all the way back down to 23 to 22. Literally. Or 23, 28. But I think 23.18 is pretty much our support, guys. 23.18. Oh, God. Let's push, baby, push. Oh, God. Push. Let's push. 7 pips, 8 pips. Almost 10 pips up. Let's go pre-London session. I love London. Oh God, I love London session. Fuck New York session, bro. London session is where it's at. I hate New York. I'm gonna extend this bitch. I currently have a 1 lot in, so I think I'm gonna add here. I'm gonna add a point. Oh my god, if it would let me. It's lagging. I wanna add. I'm adding a 0.15. Well, I'm trying to. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I didn't add multiple positions. Oh fuck. Hopefully not. This 1 minute came back to retest right here. After this broken structure. After this break of structure on the 1. Immediately broke these lows. And yeah, how many? Okay, I only put 1 in. Oh, thank God. Oh, this is a 30. I'm such a dummy. But yeah, the 1 broke this structure, broke the lows right here. On the 30 minute, broke the 30 minute low. Came back to retest on the 1 minute, and now I'm going to assume we should start pushing down for pre-London. The London session should take us down. Because we pretty much filled this range. I was expecting us to fill this other wick, but seems like we also have a reversal candlestick closure. So we have another confirmation. We filled this range to the left hand side, which was yesterday's session, New York session. So we took out these highs, and now we could see a continuation down to retest Asian lows possibly, or to even retest New York lows or London lows. We got all these lows here. It's too low. Sorry, bro. My girl's sleeping, so I was trying not to wake her up, but I will just talk closer. Is that better? Should I re-say what I said? Let's go to the daily. Right. So if you look at the daily, okay, I also drew this on the 30-minute. You see how it's creating this little downtrend line, right? And we're also in a range. So since we did not retest these highs right here, London highs, because look how this 30-minute candle closed, right? What does this candle indicate? What closure is that? That's a doji candle, right? And it's also an exhaustion candle. There's literally like, I could see that it was already exhausting with buyers, because each candle was getting smaller and smaller as we corrected this drop from yesterday. So since we didn't come all the way back up here to these highs, and we are following this trend down, and now we broke this low on the 15, and now we're starting to push down. We could see a retest of Asian lows. Yeah, so 23.26, 23.27, whatever. And that is what my prediction is, because we're in a range. We're range bound right now. We're range bound. So we're not predicting that it's going to break out of this range. And you see how the daily literally shows you range right here. There's a range from here, and then there's a range from here. From here to here, right? We haven't broken out of this range yet. And you can assume we haven't broken out of this range yet because I said it earlier, but tomorrow is the 4th of July in the US. If you don't live in the US, it's a pretty big holiday, so it's going to be pretty slow in the markets, because you know New York session is very volatile, one of the most highly traded sessions. And when London and New York cross over, it's even more volatile. But since it's a holiday, we're not going to have that many or that much volume. So we can assume we'll stay range bound until after the holiday. That's just what I am assuming. It's a pretty big fucking range. And we are currently up. What happened to my tool here? 23.34. So now I'm going to move my stops above these highs at 23.36. So we are up about 15 pips right now. Very nice, very nice. I would probably secure some of my profits, because it would only make sense, right? So I'm 15 pips in profit. I'm gonna go ahead and secure like 50%. Okay, I secured 50%. Actually, it was more like, because I added another position, so I secured like 40%, about 40%. Can close even more right here at 23.32.3. Let's look at this 4 hour. trade is looking very good. Very good. Bueno. But let's say that we come down to 2332.2 and we start rejecting that area, right? Then we can assume that we are creating a lower low there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that rejection. It's a scary rejection. That's a kind of a scary rejection there. We don't like that. So this 15 is gonna close. Let's see how this 15 closes. We got 60 people on here. Hopefully everybody's dropping a like and hitting subscribe. I also have my own channel that I am able to advertise. Trading Nut said it's okay. I'm also streaming on my own YouTube channel as well. I'm also going to be posting some back testing videos with this MT5 simulator that I just got. Raja Banks and his team created it, so I'm gonna be doing that a bit. It's very, very fucking helpful. I'll say that. It's very helpful. It's way better than back testing on TradingView, to be honest. It's not that bad either. It's not that expensive, so invest in yourself, right? So let's see what happens here. Let's see how strong this 30-minute doji candle is going to hold for us, and this break of structure. Let's see if we're either going to bounce at 2332 or if we're going to break past it. Let's see what happens. Alright, 15 closed pretty well. I like that closure. It's a very nice closure. If this 15 comes back up here, I might take another entry. I'll probably just leave it. Very nice closure on the 15. So one more 15-minute candle and that'll be the 30-minute candle. So this is the second part of the 30-minute candle. We're about to hit that take profit zone, see how we bounce. Or if we bust through, we might correct this entire move. first take profit. First TP, approaching first TP, which would be about 25 pips. Alright, after first TP gets hit, I'm going to close most of my position and only let 20% run. And I'm going to let the 20% do whatever the hell it wants. If it wants to hit my take profit, I'm going to let it hit my take profit at 23.30. Or I'll just let it run. See if we go all the way down to these Asian lows. Looks like 2332.536, so like 0.7, 2332.7 or something. Probably go 2332.8 because when just on my match trader, because it's like a little stupid. My bad. My bad. I used to be funded. I was funded with the Funded Trader, but they're no longer in business, so I am back doing another challenge. I'm currently still on the challenge account. Sorry, I had to plug in my laptop, but I will look at candle closures, how they're forming, levels, highs and lows, you know, like what trend is the higher time frame telling me? Are we in a range on the higher time frame? Are we about to break out of a range on the higher time frame? You know, because if we're in a range at the higher time frame, then it's a little easier to be like, okay, we're at the top of the range. Are we going to break out, or are we going to reject the range, the top of the range? So that's typically when you do the buy low, sell high, right? During range trading, because it's like, okay, we're at the top, we're not breaking out, so it only makes sense to do what? Go the opposite way, to the bottom of the range. So that's what I did now. I was in a buy because I thought we were going to go all the way up and go all the way to those New York highs there, but it seems like we didn't. Alright, we're coming up to that take profit, so alright, I just closed most of my position, and now I'm just gonna let the rest rock. Beautiful win, 25 pippity 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 pops. Very, very beautiful win. Oh my god, that was very sexy. That was very, very sexy. Okay, looks like we're just gonna break through here, because we have volume coming in 7 minutes. Let's see how the 1 hour, what's the 1 hour doing? In 7 minutes we have volume from pre-London. I mean, we're already in pre-London pretty much, but even more is going to start stepping in around 7 minutes. They're definitely not a scam prop firm, bro. When did you pass your account? Or when did you pass your challenge? I wonder if you would tomorrow. I only say that. Maybe it takes about a week to get it, bro. Did you read? Did you read on it? I'm still new to using Blue Guardian, but like, I know in the past with other funded accounts that I had, sometimes it took them about a week to get everything processed and sent out to me. Because it's like, when I was previously funded, it would say if you pass your account on such and such day, funded account information will be released on this day or whatever. Yes, congrats, bro, congrats. Okay, well maybe Wednesday then. We are still running here. Now 30 pippity pippity pups. Honestly, if we come back up here, or if we just break past here, nah, I'm not gonna do it. I was gonna add another position, but now I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna be a greedy mans tonight. I'm not gonna be a greedy mans tonight. We already got 25 pips, secured 80% of the position. I was in a one lot, so I got some nice profits. And earlier from that one buy, that was nice profits. So we took a buy today and won about 15 pips, and then we got into sells and up about 30 pips right now. Well, we were up about 30 pips, but we closed 80% of our position at 25 pips, at 2332.7 or whatever. Yes, bro, let me know. I'll be on tomorrow too, but I'll be on for, what's tomorrow? I'll be on for Asian session tomorrow, I think. Hold on, let me check. Let me check what my schedule was. Oh yeah, I'm not trading tomorrow because tomorrow's 4th of July. Or not tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's the 4th of July. So I'll be back Thursday for Asian session. Yeah, I'm in the US. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go break even for that. Give me a second. Alright, I just forgot I didn't go break. Okay, now I'm break even for my position, so now I don't really give a hooty hoot what it does. But yeah, congrats, bro. But definitely be back here Thursday for Asian session, 8 o'clock Eastern Central Time. See if we can catch some Asian session trades. Yeah, I'm about to get off here, guys. I said I was going to stay 15 more minutes, but I stayed like 30 minutes. Anyway. I'm gonna play this for you guys. Oh, here is what I am finishing off with. I just have a 0.2 running. I need to add a take profit. To 23, 28. Yeah, I might look into sway markets because I tried Henko trade and I wasn't too happy, but I do want to trade gold, man. I love trading gold. Fuck. Alright, see you guys Thursday. I hope everybody caught a win, at least, maybe. But if not, then hopefully next time we'll get a win. See you guys.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackpool Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackpool Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackpool Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below.
Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.